Or, what are some of the craziest things that you've seen that you've helped straighten out for your clients?
I think the biggest consideration for most dentists and that are overlooked that I think are very important are the term and termination provisions. Number one, many times in the term section, it'll say that it's an employment agreement's going to commence on the effective date, the date that it's signed, and it's going to continue for 3 years. And people think they have a 3 year. Well, nobody has a 3 year contract. Bill Belichick, Jim Harbaugh, people like that have contracts that are of a fixed term, right? And they're going to get paid no matter what for that time period. No dentist has such an arrangement. More important than the term section is the termination section. And every single employment agreement says that it can be terminated without cause. You just have to give a certain number of days notice, 30, 60, 90 usually. And a for cause termination section, the difference being if it's for cause, it can be terminated immediately. There is no notice period. And the for cause termination events should be limited to you lost your license to practice dentistry, your DEA registration was revoked, your controlled substances license was revoked for some reason, you set fire to the building, you stole all the petty cash, those types of things are for cause for immediate termination. But in most cases, it's going to be the without cause notice period. And if it's 30 days, what you have is a 30-day contract, and you need to look at it. Other things about term and termination, the for-cause termination should go both ways. The dentist should have the right to terminate for cause. And what would that cause be? Well, you don't get paid. What you're supposed to get paid, when you're supposed to get paid. There's no reason you should have to give notice and continue working for the without cause 30-day notice without getting paid on time and the right of, or be provided the benefits that you're supposed to be provided. So that's a misunderstanding of what the term is and not having a for cause right of termination.